Home Remedies presents
How to use this herb to regulate blood sugar. Studies and research shows that consuming just 1 to 3 grams of bay leaves for 30 days helped people suffering from type 2 diabetes. More so, the antioxidants in the leaf also help insulin to function effectively and efficiently. The leaves have a hypoglycemic effect on diabetes patients due to the presence of a number of phytochemicals and essential oils in it. The bay leaf has the tendency to reduce levels of cholesterol and glucose in the blood. Polyphenol in bay leaf happens to be the most effective component in the bay leaf tea for diabetes, as it helps to control glucose in the blood. Additionally, it was also found to improve the lipid profile of patients. Preparing the tea is very simple. You will need 2 large bay leaves, 2 cups of water, honey or lemon optional. Directions: put the bay leaves and boil the water. Once boiled, remove the pot from the heat and allow the tea to steep for 10 minutes. Strain and drink. You can add honey or lemon for flavoring. Drink a cup of bay leaf tea for 30 days along with your regular medications and see the difference.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.